Hello, people. This is my beautiful pumpkin, and I am here with
Pink Piggy. One.
I'm going to be carving my pumpkin, and she is going to be what?
My pumpkin. Maybe some color.
Start with the face. Mine should be like, maybe it should say Ghost Adventures.
Yeah.
I don't know, but that would probably be too hard to do. I'll make a face, and then maybe on one half, and then I'll make Ghost Adventures.
Yeah. Write GAC.
Yeah, I'll put GAC somewhere. Like really big. Get on the side. It's really windy today.
Very one day.
Ah, fuzz. Weirdness. I'm gonna need to make this really big. Because this pumpkin is huge. That's a tiny little eye. Look at that.
You can just carve it out bigger.
I know. Emily, this Sharpie sucks.
Well,
No
I don't
offense, but it
care.
does. There we go. There's a big eye. Oh, I think I just pointed the camcorder. I just pointed at the camcorder for some weird reason.
So weird.
I have to alternate that over to the side. Okay. Why don't we see how you're going, Emily?
So, right
She
now.
is setting up the tray of stuff.
Yes, I am. And here's my mini pumpkin.
That's
my
her mini
beautiful
pumpkin. I picked it out for her. I said, hey, Emily, how is this one? She's like, yeah.
Oh, and then heaven.
This back right here.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe I should
Now my
do
second
that.
eye. I don't know if this is even going to work out well with this.
Hey.
Needs to be kind of whitish.
I made him come outside.
Why?
Because following the car. From following the car.
6.60.
Mama,
I'll be able to make it to your party.
Can
Don't touch the camcorder. Don't touch the camcorder, Travis.
I'll put on it. Travis, come on.
Avery wants to take you over in the yard, away from the barbecue pit.
Travis, come on.
Careful, Avery. Careful with that little camcorder right there.
Travis,
Avery, take him back that way.
everybody's getting in the way.
I know.
Okay. How about a little help here?
Okay. I'm going to stop.
Okay, you want to put this up here?
Come on.
Yeah. Car's up there?
Okay. Okay, take that.
Yeah.
I need a paper towel.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Want a little help?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not good. I'm not very good at pumpkin carving.
Hey. What's
Careful,
that?
Avery.
What? Go that way with Travis.
Can I help you? Thank you. Aww. Why not, please?
babe. Yay!
It's one.
Are you going to paint a face on there? Or, I mean, yeah, paint a face on there, or draw a face on there? Oh. I better just move that again. And then set it back down. Or put something. You watching Travis up there too, Avery?
Mommy, can I have a paintbrush?
What? That's what they're going to learn for. You came outside because you asked them to.
Oh, it's almost off. So close.
Yeah, it's probably all the pumpkin that's still in
Maybe. I don't know. This is a complicated pumpkin.
It's complicated.
Yay!
there. Okay. Pumpkin gut seeds.
Daddy.
It's so weird sticking my hand in here.
I think I get a feeling.
Okay.
Oh yeah, pumpkin guts.
Yummy.
You're gonna ruin my appetite.
It's just a pumpkin gut.
At least it's not pterodactyl legs or anything.
Okay, let's try this. Yeah.
It's really like over here, way in the back.
Pumpkins?
What? Lots of bugs do, I know that.
Probably we should have gotten a spoon.
Yeah, I'm barely getting anything out of here. Whoa, whoa.
What, Avery, you need to watch where you're going, not what other people are doing, dude.
There we go.
You have to go the other way.
Is that a secret?
The other way.
No, let's just let this go. No, sometimes he makes that noise when he's happy.
It usually makes it when he's bad.
He's walking to the house dancing with her. She was like rock and roll. Travis?
Dude.
That's not a good idea.
Yay.
Yeah, go that way.
Welcome to St. Joe. Uphill both ways.
What is that?
Mint.
I can't eat that. I want to eat mint bubble gum.
Oh my gosh, Emily. That's the closest to mint she's probably ever going to get.
You should eat one. It's mint.
And it's good.